come on. We gotta get it here. We gotta get it here. Oh my god, Dude, we have no time. Please, 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 let's secure. Oh my god. Oh my god. With freaking like 10 seconds to spare. Oh my god. That is insane. No way. Wow, you actually got one. Yeah, that's right. That's aura. Come on, let's get the glasses on. That's aura, bro. Come on, bro. Let's go. Okay, here you go. Wait, what's he about to do? Oh my god, he's spawning food. Wait, what? Good luck getting the Cheeto and Dorito? Wait, okay, so that apparently is an unreleased brain rot.